Hello, we're continuing our discussion of rhetoric and we're discussing logo or the appeal to logic. So today, let us discuss the other ways to establish logos. So in advertising, there is an appeal to logos or appeal to logic when they say things like switching to energy efficient appliances can reduce your electricity bill by up to 30%, saving you hundreds of dollars each year. So it is actually appealing to our practicality, right? We wanted to buy something that will not cost us much. So it is using data to convince us. There's also logical appeal in public speaking. So for example, according to recent data, implementing this policy could reduce crime rates by 15% over the next 5 years, benefiting the entire community. So it lends credibility and gravitas if you use data and statistics. We have that bias towards data and number. It makes us automatically trust it. But that is also something that I want you to think about critically. Sometimes these people use made up statistics. So it's also necessary